Airts, founded in 2005, owns 2 production bases covering a total area of 135,000 square meters, equipped with over 10 auto production lines and total 45 research and development technicians. So far, Airts has more than 50 patents and gets ISO certified. Besides, Airts is the drafting unit of the Chinese national standard and specializes in providing air conditioning and HVLS fans to meet the needs of heating, cooling, ventilation, humidifying, dehumidifying, dust removal, auto control for buildings ranging from 4 to 30 meters in height. Airts has cooperated with over 1,600 well-known enterprises, with many application cases in the world's top 500 companies. Yili Dairy has adopted Airts dedicated high and large space air conditioning products in dozens of new and renovated projects for 8 consecutive years. The products are widely used in industries, logistics, stadiums, shopping malls, and other venues. Airts has independently developed a wireless control system and provides professional technical support and consummate service to bring customers an excellent experience. Airts looks forward to your cooperation.